there's a lot of thing being talked about national umbrella entity, and
Yes.
there's several discussion in the community as well. And now one of the questions that came up is that why do we need national umbrella entity? Why can't NUE be independent companies under NPCI? What it means is the way you have a Tata group, there are several companies under Tatas. So why can't several independent companies come under NPCI and achieve the objectives that regulators have planned for? Why do you want to create a competition for NPCI?
No, honestly, I would have loved to see that. Honestly, and that had I had expressed this opinion also, that NPCI should um, split very of its activities and create subsidiaries, with each subsidiary having separate shareholding structure under the umbrella entity, NPCI umbrella entity. That had been my view, possibly, but regulator considered it from many angles. Quite likely, the regulator felt that even if a lot of subsidiaries are created, it would be still the umbrella entity which would do, and may not be conforming to the international regulatory stand of having multiple institutions in the same service offering. So that is a part of the international way that really the different regulators talk about. And regulators worldwide, they think that there should be different institutions, and they were very clear about it. So we must honor the opinion of the regulator. And once you say that regulator is doing for public good, and they have a thinking broader than what the commercial institutions are thinking, we must have to honor them. Having, if once you honor what our RBI is saying, now you would have to see within that framework how can multiple NUEs come and operate without uh, uh, headlong collusion with each other, rather complementing each other's efforts. NPCI has the gene of NPCI is one of really taking everybody along, and even if it would like others also to flourish, it would not like to really be a monopoly, because the monopoly, going for a monopoly, is not the spirit of NPCI. It has grown into a monopoly because I would once again hammer, because of operational excellence. Had it really not operated extremely well, the many institutions would have automatically come up. The market would have forced the Reserve Bank to think in terms of another check processing center, another ACH platform, another platform, because the operational excellence of NPCI has uh, uh, has made it very difficult for the commercial entities to come up with such focus and concentration on operational excellence. If you focus on bringing the shareholders value in terms of dividends, that means you have to be profit oriented. That high degree of profit orientation in payment system uh, would have gone contrary to the way the NPCI has been operating. Number one, institutionally it is a not-for-profit entity, but operationally also it is like really a service institutions and doing public good, like public health, public education, like this it has grown. So you say whether NPCI creating subsidiaries would have been a good model, I would say yes. But having the proposal turned down by Reserve Bank, you will have to see within this framework how can new entities come who can complement and supplement each other. But while doing so, also we will have to see that when the new institutions come up, and regulator want them to come up, you will have to see how they become financially viable within the shortest possible time. And if they need to be financially viable, They will have to take up certain services where they can make money right from the beginning. And what are the services where they can make some money right from the beginning? Possibly these services which are new, altogether new, services where there is an unmet need. It is these areas where they can really make money in the initial period, and once they see that operationally they are quite viable operationally, and they can parallelly they can think of doing R&D and research and going for new innovations. There are areas, a lot of areas where lot can be done in the new NUEs or new umbrella entities, and I hope the new entities are working on that.